some of you don't want to take the vaccine. And when you no got Obiaman go no anything for drink, and no drink, you no don't know how. You no come beat me.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Not influenced by feeling or personal opinion. That is the meaning of the word objective. Now, I had to point that out for the people who just discovering this platform. Yeah, Unstoppable TV. Who not just find this platform, just discover this channel, watch one video that is talking about one specific topic and immediately assumes that this platform, Unstoppable TV, is pushing one narrative. That is where you get it wrong. If you're new to the platform and you watch one video, watch a few more before you decide, we push any one narrative. Because one thing we do, we no pick side over here upon Unstoppable TV. We give the voice to the voiceless. We use this platform for persons to state their issues and voice their own personal opinions. So not because I may not agree with what that person is saying, no means me I go say no, me not go post what that person has to say. Me I go post it. And if that person on the left have something to say too, when I agree with that person there, me I go post that person there too. So as you can see in the beginning, the lady said, uno go Obiaman and uno drink the Obiaman portion without knowing what in it, but somehow uno no want to take the vaccine. That is her opinion. And me post it. So I'm going to post those who say no, and I'm going to post those who say yes, because at the end of the day, my personal feelings and opinion out of it. So with that said, listen to what a brother here have to say too.
Yeah man, I am saying to the people who are taking the vaccine, I have nothing against it, We not take it. If we don't want to take it, but that left the people who decide say them not taking it, don't force nothing down upon we. You hear me say, force it down upon our family and our generation, all of uno, and stop force people. Everybody immune system different. So going to tell me that it going to work for me. If it work for you, it no must work. You see, it will work for you, but it no must work for me. So uno take it, man. And don't come and not force it down to tell other people. Uno never do no test. So uno get money. Uno come on radio and on TV and I tell people about take the vaccine, it is good for you because this and that, and vaccine can stop you from get corona. Vaccine can keep it down in you. Vaccine can stop you from give it to other people. So when clot no should be up in our wall, we not come force it on we.
Wanna get it? Alright. Moving right along. Now, we all know Jamaican Carlos. Big up to Carlos over there on Facebook. Jamaican Carlos is a brother who speak out on certain topics from time to time. Now, just the other day, I saw a voice audio being circulated on social media where they're saying it is a police officer. And the officer is talking some things about, him trying to go get some food at a fast food chain and them deny him service and all of that, right? But one thing that the officer said was that the direction the country are heading it a go come a day where police officer are go stop defending the people. People are go call for police help and the police them no come. Well, Jamaican Carlos want to address that and him have a few words to say about that. And him going to a whole lot of other topics too. So we are going to jump in and take a listen to what Carlos officer right here. So come with me.
Me hear all of that. Me hear all of that art goes out to you. I come do a video on your guys' behalf this morning. But also another part of your statement you made as a police officer. You also said, we're going to need help and you're not going to come. So that means you're going to refuse to do your duty, do your job. We don't love that police officer. We know you throw your problem upon we as the citizens, Mr. Officer. Remember that. Remember that because we and you in the same show. All this time when poor people are ball, the regular citizen are ball, civilian are ball, say, them under pressure and the things stay away. And you enforce the law. Remember that, you're not a law enforcer. So all of a sudden, you find yourself with we in the same in a few events right beside we now face the same thing we are going through. When we realize that them not treating us more different from us and as important like they should treat well, I think they should treat you guys different. You don't make the video this morning. But the part of the argument me not like police officer, the part where you say police are gonna be around the corner and want to help people. People need help and police are there around the corner and turn back. So you refuse to do your duty, you refuse to save a life because the government is treating you a certain way. Family, I know we cause it. I know poor people cause it, officer. And where you come from us. You are one of us. You're just finally facing what we all were facing all these decades. You finally see it right before your eyes as a police officer. So they will look for you different, just like how the government say. Nurse is not going to get no different, no preferential treatment if they come down with the thing. In this time, where I think the nurses should. A frontline worker, them a life giver, life saver. Them should get preferential treatment over me. Over me. A nurse is more important in this time more than me. How much life may I save by myself? Think about it. Nurse save a whole heap of life. So you understand what I talk about? But me not like that part of the police officer. I mean, I beg you know. And nurses too. Me I beg you know. When you know me do these videos, I take up for you know. I think the government will step up and help you out. Do not put on a problem upon poor people because we are only in the same boat. I beg you know. Me talk about you know. Me talk on behalf of you know. I so call us stay. Me stay in the middle. So me hear that part where the police say, dark days are coming. Me understand that. And me know some things that get worse before it get better. We all understand that. But the part of me not like family is when they say the police might be around the corner and people need help and the police like turn back. So you refrain from save a life because the government are treat you a certain way. Family, I know we are government. You come from us. You're a brother, you're a sister, you're a son, you're a nephew, you're a grandfather, you're an uncle, officer. We have a niece, we have a nephew, we have a daughter. We have a mother in the force. And we cause it, family. This is bigger than poor people pay grade. You don't know that too. This is way bigger than poor people pay grade. So if a man need help around the corner, go ahead and save him life, family. Do your job, family. Save the poor man life, family. Don't make because the government has squeezed you. You cannot squeeze poor people. That would be unfair. And poor people don't deserve that, family. You see what I say? Because poor people don't make a rules, boy. We don't make a laws, boy. So I beg the police officer themselves, go on, remain professional in this time. Though storm may last, sorrow may last for a night, but joy comes in the morning. You know what I say? After a storm, there must be a calm kind of thing. We will go through this together. And you alone are going to be police officer. The whole country, as you can see, we're going. At least you have a job. At least you have a salary right now, officer. At least you have a job. Enough man that Jamaica have more than 50% of the people are self-employed, they're hustler, they're juggler, they're going to find something to do on the road. And imagine them not doing nothing right now. Imagine how much people out there suffer right now. But at least, Mr. Officer, your money is coming in month end. Clockwork, they're coming in, boss. They're coming in, you get company vehicle to drive and uniform and stuff. You have to wear your own clothes, go to work. But no say now get the right pay, you can get more pay. Me understand that. But remember, consider yourself better than plenty. Consider yourselves better than plenty, officer. Remember me, I tell you. More than 50% of the country right now are self-employed people. The government that provide jobs, we don't have the infrastructure, we don't have the jobs to give people work. So Jamaicans are people who use them hand-on fashion. And you see them all about Jamaica. That's why you see them on the roadside for you foreigners. When you go to Jamaica, you see all these Jamaicans in the road like they're wiping the windscreen. Them just find something to do. It might not look good, but they want food. It's better them do that more than take up a gun and hold you up and take your money. Foreigners, me I tell you this who don't understand Jamaica. When you come under a Montego Bay and see the boy them in the road that sell water in the middle road. You find some youth in the middle road with all a barrel in the middle road and sell water and juice all down a mobile there. You want to say, I'm afraid them get leaked. And what is that? But sometimes people have to do what they have to do. You see the hustlers them all about, man, I sell slippers. Man, I do. Man, I sell brassiere, t-shirt, blouse, skirt. Man, I push something on hand cart, foreigners. That's why when you go to Jamaica, you see so many hand carts. People push stuff. They have ground provision for food cart. Miles away from the market. Miles away from the market. Them food produce on wheels. Far. Hustle, people are hustle. You go to Jamaica and see people with stuff on them head, selling, they walk and them a ball out them throat, selling their wares, foreigners. That's why you see my country steers up people. Because the government, the country don't have enough job for all these people. So Jamaican people are people resilient. They rather go work more than beg or something. Me I tell them, the real Jamaican people would rather go work more than beg politician money. I tell them, if Jamaica have their way, politician, they wouldn't see no politician because Jamaican people are proud people. And what some people say Jamaican people lazy, them boy are lazy, they don't want to work. That is not true. It's because they don't know Jamaica. Have you ever seen anywhere in Jamaica where them hiring, say them need 10 people Monday morning, and they put up a sign, say them need 10 people or 50 people. If they need 10 people or 100 people are come. If Jamaica need 10 people to work at a job and they have a job opening, come Monday morning, you have 100 people outside for the 10 jobs. Go to anywhere in Jamaica where you see there's people find out so them can get an opportunity to work, where the opportunity hand itself to Jamaicans. Go out there and see the amount of people. And for the ones who might go home and don't get the work, them go home crying. Because they was coming there thinking that they might get this job. They were so sure they might land this job. Jamaica need work. Now if I want to have construction in Jamaica, building a house and stuff like that, how much people ask enough for a day's work? All a man want is 1 day work. Carlos, we can get a day. 1 day. Worse if I give him 2 days. 2 days on the side, family, I give him 2 days pay. You lift him up, family. Most youth in Jamaica that rather go earn a bread more than go rob you. Most men in Jamaica that rather go earn a bread more than beg you. Tell me, I tell a family, Jamaica may know. Regardless, any man that say Jamaican lazy, that's not true. Because I will see one overseas, I hold on how much job we have overseas as Jamaican. When we there foreign, they can say we're lazy. We have a whole heap of job over here, not true. We are known for that. So why who even own Jamaican people? I say Jamaican lazy. When I mad somebody, man, come on, man. Come on, man. I want to talk to man. Come on, man. You never go to a construction site in Jamaica when a construction site is open. Have you ever been to a construction site when a new construction site is open and you see them hire some man Monday morning? If you see man come from Aldbout, man will come from St. Thomas, go all the way to Westmoreland to get to work on a construction site. And I know him go sleep after work. You know how you may say? Say Jamaicans will leave from St. Thomas all the way to Nigel Point for a job. If there's a job opening, find him way down there early. Don't even know how I'm going to get home, where I'm going to sleep. That's the Jamaicans. I know the people that need help. so for something where some people talk about them own self, I don't know. Like me say again in my earlier video, some of us just stay in our comfort zone. We jump on the phone here and we text all type of nonsense. Because we're in our comfort zone and we forgot hungry. And we forgot those who we left behind because we come out foreign. And food them in our fridge and we don't have to worry about hungry. We're going to the house right now, I have to say, what am I going to eat tonight? We there foreign and I say, I'm hungry but we don't know what to eat. You're going to the fridge and look left, right and center where you have to eat. You're going to the cupboard in the pantry and look and you have so much food right before your eyes. When you reach a stage where you have to question what you're going to eat tonight when you have all type of different choices, you have too much. When you reach a stage in your life where you have to question what we're going to eat tonight and be food confused. That is called food confused. You have too much. Consider yourself like me growing up in Jamaica. Enough people right now in Jamaica. Let me talk about myself. Because enough of uno. I only me I talk about just talking to myself. Because we're no different. I mean I forgot to say uno today. Yeah? When let me tell you something, family. You see, hunger is an easy thing. Hunger is an easy thing, family. When you're there in Jamaica, you know we're going to eat today. You know we're going to eat a couple days ago. Because that's all you have. If a sweet potato you have and daddy had dig up a sweet potato out of the ground, you know more than likely a sweet potato do it for the whole week. You know we're going to eat. You know one piece of chicken back mama have and some flour and piece of breadfruit and some butter and very raw. And that you're going to eat. And that you're going to eat. Now some of us have it so much that when we cook, the picnic them say, them no want this and them no want that. And we as parents, we brought them so bad. We cook a whole another meal for the picnic them. I see that happen in a lot of people's household. Picnic them saying, me no want this and me no want that, mommy. So the parents cook a whole another meal for them. Sometimes we have too much family. When we grew up in Jamaica, what kind of different meal? You have to eat what cooked there. You eat what cooked there. If you don't eat, you don't eat. You have to eat whatever mama cook. Mama cook and susumba and akians, cucumber and starfish and them things. Susumba, you know, and them gully bean. Me never like gully bean. But me have to eat it and pick out the gully bean out of it. Me don't like susumba because I think it's too bitter. I mean, I like a taste. Me so like, I know me don't like gully bean. That I susumba. I don't know that Jamaican people don't know me I talk about susumba, you know. Gully bean, the bitter sitting there. I can boil the leaf, make tea. Family, me never like that. But when mama cook, I eat people. Me not like roast bed fruit. People, me not like roast bed fruit. But when mama cook roast bed fruit, me have to eat. If me not eat the roast bed fruit, I want me to eat. All when mama fry the roast bed fruit, me still don't like it. But if me not eat it, I want me to eat. Family, I one pot put on. Mama not put on 2 pot because we cannot afford it. We put on a separate pot for you. So it's a different life we are living in now. So most of us will tend to forget poverty, which poverty is right behind us when we left it in Jamaica.
Alright, Unstoppable family, we reached the end of the video. Talk to me. What do you think about what the girl saying at the beginning about people going to Obiaman and drinking the Obiaman potion, but uno don't want to take the vaccine? Talk to me what you think about the Rastaman say about the one them we are push the vaccine from people. And me also want to talk to me about what Jamaican Carlos had to say about the police officer when him say, yo, him a go, you know, police are going to turn them back on the people when they need help. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me hear what you have to say. Because at the end of the day, your opinion matter. Watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, where you wait upon, hit that subscribe button. Turn on all notification. Once you upload a video, then you must get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.